Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all helps us keep making these daily videos for you. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 198. If we start with this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 1, 8. 1 and 8 here means this is our 2, 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 9, no help here, 7, 8, 9. 8 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. Got a 3 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 7, 3. So we can get rid of this 3. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 9. No help here, 4, 5, 9. 4 here, so 5, 9. That means the only place our 4 can be in that column is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so 3, 4. Still the 8 here, so 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4 here, so 2, 8. 2 and 8 here, so 3, 4. So that means the only place our 8 can be in that column is here. And that means the only place our 2 can be is here. And that 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 5 here, so this is our 4. That 7 means this is our 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any other help. So 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 7 here. Wait, that can't be right. We're missing 2, 5, and 9. So we've got a 2 here, so 5, 9. No help here, 2, 5, 9. 5 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so 5, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 5, 8. 6 here, so 4, 5, 8. 5 and 6 here, so 4, 8. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 5, 7, 9. 5 and 7 here, so 2, 9. If we look now, the only place the 2 can be in that row is here. That 2 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 8. 5, 6, 9. Let's see what we can clean up now. We can get rid of that 8. That 9 makes this our 5. Get rid of this 5. This 5. All right, if we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. That 3 makes this our 4. 3, 4. And that 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 9. And our 5 can't be here, so our 5 must be here. Oh, this 7 makes this our 9, 7, 9, 7. And this 9 makes this our 5. And we've got 5 and 9 in this row now, so this is our 2. For this last box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.